Welcome back, elite system architects and tech enthusiasts. Today we are debugging a critical runtime error in the human operating system. What happens when a 2-pound highly optimized fluff-ball enters your personal perimeter and initiates an involuntary full factory reset on your entire adult personality? In this comprehensive educational guide, we will analyze the puppy personality reset, or PPR, which is a severe cognitive vulnerability. We will look at how a user's cynical, coffee-fueled developer persona is forcefully deprecated and permanently replaced by a high-pitched, emotional baby-talking mess. We'll break down this bizarre transformation using strict systems engineering principles. By analyzing physical hardware interrupts, massive memory leaks of pure affection, chaotic runtime environments, and the exact software architecture of Puppy OS, you will understand how your system gets hijacked. Let's begin with our core concepts, focusing on the physical layer.
We must also analyze the cheese stacks protocol, which is a hard-coded, low-level microtransaction system. Every single time you open the refrigerator door, a background daemon forces